Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have AMAZFIT Cheetah 2 Ultra, and today I'm going to show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. So let's get started. So first thing you will need to do is to turn on your watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the lower button. Keep holding the button until you see the AMAZFIT logo on the screen, and then after the watch turns on, you probably will see the list of languages. So scroll through it, find the language you would like to use, and tap on it to select it. And after you select the language, you probably will see the QR code, or you should see the QR code. Sometimes you need to skip through another page, but the ultimate goal is this QR code because it's required for the pairing process. So if you see something like a confirmation page or something like that before, just confirm it and go through until you reach this QR code. And now we need to download and install the Zepp application on our iPhone, so make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. And once you do, open the App Store or use the QR code. You can scan the QR code, but I prefer the old-fashioned way, basically. So open the App Store, tap on search, and type in Zepp with 2 P's at the end. And on the list of apps, you should see this application. Download and install it. Okay, and once the application is done installing, tap on open to open it. In the app, you will need to log in into Zepp account, and if you don't have one, you can always sign up and use it to log in. I already have one, so I'm gonna enter the email address and password, so give me a few seconds. Okay, the password should be correct now. And after you log in, you probably will see the home page of the app. So let's wait. And here we have it. If you see this pop-up, you can allow the permission. Then tap on device and select watch. Agree, allow, and you will see the camera up. And basically we need to point the phone's camera on the QR code to scan it and use it for the pairing process. If you see this pop-up about the notifications, you can allow it. Then we can scan the QR code and the pairing process should begin. And we can tap on setup, confirm. If you see this pop-up, you can tap on go to Bluetooth settings. It will direct you here, and what you need to do is tap on finish Bluetooth setup. And now you can go to open Zepp. It should bring back us to the application, and the connecting process should continue. Once you see this page, tap on next. And here we can enable some more features like calling all contacts. So basically it wants the permission for the contacts. You don't need to allow it, you can skip this. But if you want to use it, tap on enable and select the contacts you want to allow. I'm just gonna share all of my contacts. Then we have the calendar events. You need to allow the permission if you want to see the pop-ups about the calendar events. And you can also connect the Wi-Fi network to your watch. I'm not gonna do that, I'm just gonna skip it. But if you want to, you can tap on that network and connect to some Wi-Fi network. Then we have the activity goals. You can set up based on steps or based on calories. And once you're done setting it up, tap on next. Here we can turn on and off some of the reminders. And finally, tap on done. And you should see your Cheetah 2 Ultra on the device page. On the watch, you can adjust the text size. And finally, confirm by pressing the upper button. And after that, your watch should be ready to use. Here we have it. And that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.